Hello, welcome to Weekly Recipes. Every Tuesday I'd like to release a video of a recipe that falls in the keto eating plan. And a little while ago I searched, asked Chatgpt for a recipe for a beef roast. And I thought I'd go ahead and continue that. So I thought I'd ask it for a beef soup. And the recipe it gave me is very similar to the Instant Pot beef stew that I made a while ago. It looks like it's a little simpler though. Um, not quite as much stuff in it. So let me go ahead and get started. And here's all what's in it. It's starting off with a pound of stew meat. Well, it's 1 1/4 pound there. 1 onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 stalks of celery chopped, 2 carrots chopped up, 2 cups of chopped cauliflower, 4 cups of beef broth, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, salt, pepper to taste, and I didn't see anywhere on there to have oil in there, but a tablespoon of oil sounds like probably a good idea. So let me go ahead and get that measured out and start it up. Alright, I got the oil heating over medium heat, so now I'll add in the meat. I'll get that browned up. Alright, now that the beef is all browned up, I'll set it over here to the side. And turn down the heat a little bit because I think it's getting pretty warm in there. Anyway, now I'm going to add the carrots, the celery, the onion, and the garlic. I'll get that all mixed in and let that cook for a while. Alright, that's been cooking for a bit, so now I'll add in the cauliflower. Probably should have cut that up a little bit better. Get those all mixed in. And now I'll add in the tablespoon of tomato paste. And then the thyme and rosemary. And finally the broth. I always like adding the broth in last because it helps mix in the seasonings. Now that that's all mixed in, I'll go ahead and put the beef back in. Get that mixed up again. Really should have got that cauliflower cut up better. Anyway, interesting flavor, interesting smell. Anyway, now I'll turn that up to get a boil. Alright, got up to a boil, so now I'll turn the heat down. And I'll cover that. And I'll let that cook for 35 minutes. It says 30 to 40 minutes, so I always like to put 40 to 35. Okay, there's the finished product there. It's that's the AI beef soup. It's a lot like the Instant Pot stew I made a while back. I don't know how picky you want to be. A difference between a soup and a stew, but here, let me get it bowled up. And there's the finished product. I gotta say, the carrots taste really good in there. Yeah, it's a whole lot simpler than that beef stew, but yeah, it's a interesting recipe that ChatGPT came out with. To be asking that for more recipes. So yeah, like and subscribe. Check out blog links in the description, and have a nice day.